मिली सबसे बड़ी देन तू है
She sat and watched you grow your hay. She sat and watched you grow your hay. From a tiny tot to a blooming sway. Busy and frenzy, you sail all round. Our plenary blessings were never away. Do we need a day for you? Not at all. At all times, whether it is extreme or mild, at all times, whether it is extreme or mild, your nearer years may often go wild. But she has only one way to deal, because for her, you will always be a child. You will need a day for her. You have been a teacher, you have been a soldier. You have been a doctor of each and every vibe. You have been a teacher, you have been a soldier. You have been a doctor of each and every vibe. You play each and every role with so much of ease. You are the greatest mentor of my life. So do you need a day for her? Not at all. So children, mother is a feeling, mother is an emotion, mother is a beautiful relation. You don't need a day to celebrate. Every day is a Mother's Day. Right or not? माँ एक एहसास है, रिश्तों की मिठास है, हर एक श्वास वायु में अस्तित्व के होने का आभास है। माँ है तो खुशियाँ आप सबके आसपास हैं, इसलिए माँ हम सबके लिए बहुत खास है। So all the mothers, at least for mothers present here, let's clap the biggest round, humble sound for all the mothers present here. We salute to them for their courage, for their dedication, because it's selfless motive. They always have a smile for their children. They always have a smile for whatever reason, but they always want to see their children shine. So with that we conclude. It's getting hotter now. So children, enjoy your day. We have arranged few activities for you for classes nursery to 12. Everybody is involved in some activity. Do those activities and bring smile to your mother's face. That will be the greatest contribution on Mother's Day. Alright, class 3, 9. We can start now. Class 4 and 9 from the center. Class 3.